So we got these 3 inflatables off of Amazon and we want to unbox them so you can check them out. All right, so we have these 3 inflatables. We have this Reaper. We have a skull head on a spider. And we have this one, which is some ghosts coming out of a pumpkin, but we'll show you. Which one are you going to open first?
This one.
All right.
And here is
the stakes.
Oh, it's already attached. Oh, look at the ghost hand. Hello.
All right, so this one is the brand is the Snow Season Blow. So we're gonna see if this one's any good.
Supposed to have like flickering lights and color changing and stuff. That's what I thought.
How big this one is?
This one is 5 feet. How big is it?
They're 6 feet tall.
This one is 6 feet tall.
Button.
Here it goes.
Whoa, look how cool it is. How tall this one is? It's like skinny.
6 feet tall.
Whoa, it's like, that's going to be bigger.
Yeah, put it in the middle.
Oh, there's 2 ghosts.
It doesn't look like it's going to be 6 feet tall.
Oh, there's the one that's happy. There's the one that's... Oh, that one's happy also. Are they making the same faces? 3 ghosts?
3 ghosts. Alright, so here is the 3 ghosts inside of the pumpkin. Alright, so he's awesome. We'll show you guys what they look like with the lights off in just a minute. We're going to push them to the side and open our other inflatable.
Alright.
Alright, pretty good. Which one's next? And we have a big Reaper.
It's like half a Reaper with the hand out.
Well, it's half a Reaper. He's kind of like coming out of the ground.
Space. You see, that's a chocolate.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to be...
Whoa.
Oh, it's
That
also
was attached too.
Alright, so this one also comes with the plug attached. It looks pretty good. This one is 6.8 feet tall. So we'll see how big this guy is.
7 feet, that's pretty good.
Alright, he turned on.
Oh, I thought...
That sounds weak.
The fan does sound weak. Oh, it's all the way wrapped in there.
Oh, you have to shake them, man, shake them.
There you go.
Not too much, that's good, that's good.
There's the
Oh,
fan.
there it is, now it's better.
See, this is a pretty small fan for such a big inflatable.
It's scary.
I guess he's 6.8 feet across.
I think we're gonna put this guy in our little cemetery.
In our cemetery. Alright, so here he is. He's still inflating. Whoa! He looks pretty cool.
There it goes. Look at the hand, look at the hand.
Whoa, they're inflating.
Put the finger down. Put the finger down. Pull it off. I think that's it.
Alright, that's it. So, this is our Grim Reaper. So he looks pretty big. What do you guys think? Let me know.
He's really white.
I think... Let me...
Look at the eyes.
Yeah, the eyes are red.
Look at the eyes. They're glowing. Alright.
Alright.
Watch this.
Oh no, he's grabbing you.
Gonna grab you.
So here you can see the Reaper with his gigantic white hands. He has red eyes. And he's just really tall. I mean, I think he's really wide. I think he's like maybe like 5 feet tall. So our final inflatable is a spider. We don't have any spiders except for the spider pumpkin. So excited to get a spider.
Well, you can see the orange. Oh, it has a bag inside. Whoa.
Oh look, it comes with a bag. Oh yeah, this brand off Amazon does come with a bag. It says it's called the GOOSH brand.
What it says here.
It just says that if you have any problems to call them.
Open it. That's good. I like the packaging.
Yeah.
I don't like the other ghosts back again.
No, it's too plain.
Hey. Oh, look, it's all tied up too. It's very well packaged. That's for sure.
Here we go.
I mean, you're gonna need room to reach the plug in the back.
All right, let's see what he looks like.
That one has the same tag.
This one comes with a skull on its back.
There you go.
Woo! False alarm.
Where's the
I
alarm?
think it's animated. You want to see?
It's not animated.
Oh, I thought it was.
Oh, it's a little skull. Look at the skull. That's cool.
Is that the? Look, the eyes below.
So this spider is supposed to be, I think, 5 feet wide. There it goes. Awesome. So here is the spider. I want to say this guy was like $30, but I'll put the price on the screen. You can see here he does have a kaleidoscope light. You know what? When I bought him, I didn't know he had a kaleidoscope light. You can see his red eyes there. And so what we're going to do in a minute is we're going to turn the lights off so we can see what these guys look like with the lights off. Ready? All right, here they are. Woo!
Wow.
Look at how they look. Look at the ghost back there. He's so colorful and rainbow, and I love that. And you can see the pumpkin also has this like super cool flickering effect. That looks really awesome. And then here is our Reaper. You can see him with his red face.
That's cool.
He looks so cool and his hands are really lit up. It looks awesome. He's ready to guard a graveyard. And then here is our spider. You can see his bright red eyes. You can't see his feet.
Look, you can
know?
see
You won't be able to see him in the dark very well, but you'll be able to see his tail.
Yeah, in the dark you'll just be able to see like the skeleton on the back there. All right, so let us know in the comments what you think of our new inflatables. Let us know which one is your favorite. I think my favorite is, I don't know, which is your favorite, Aaron?
This spider and my ghost.
Oh, his favorite is all three. Me too. I like all three, just like those 3 ghosts. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye.